Savory Sal back again. Once again, we're having camera issues, so just bear with us. We worked really hard on getting this video together. But real quick here, I'm not going to get into the topic that we had picked, only because we are having video issues. We did want to get this back on to you guys. But remember to like, subscribe, comment. Maybe we can do some subs together or something like that. Someone is just starting off, or even with people that's already, on and doing really good in the YouTube world. But our topic was, do you think you would want to stay in a nice paying job with you making really good money, or would you rather, do something you really enjoy doing day by day? Of course, you know what the answer is. You guys let us know what you think. Check us out at SavorySal. Keep cooking at gmail.com. And again, like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a shot, guys. We like to give you guys some shots, see what you guys are talking about, what you guys are doing. And we'll go from there. Now, if this video just cut off on us, remember, I always say, keep on cooking. Y'all, this chicken is so good.